Hi guys! Papunta tayo ngayon dito sa Weta, Wellington. Dito ginawa ang Lord of the Rings. Imagine, maliit lang tong corner lot na yan. Pero dyan lahat ginawa yung Lord of the Rings. And residential actually yung lugar na yan. So, dito yan sa Mata-Mata. So, let's go. Let's check kung ano yung pwede nating makita sa loob.
Ito na red.
Red, pili ka na lang sword. Ayun, pili ka lang din. Kunin yung gift nila. Ayun, marami ka dito.
Kuya, wait!
Wow.
It's
Hindi lang magdadali ito.
Marami pala sila. Ayun, Planet of the Apes.
pala yung kumuha na.
Oo.
Whoa!
Gusto mong ganda shoes, Peach?
Hobbit shoes. Ay, Elysium, sila rin pala.
Oo. Marami. Hindi lang Lord of the Rings. Marami pa ito.
Stay it.
940 ka.
Chainmail. Kingdom of Heaven. Oh,
Orlando Bloom.
ganda yan. Yung Kingdom of Heaven.
Yung bata. Kaya mo na ako.
Paano yung anak sorting hat?
Kaya isang horror. Kalimutan ko ka natawa.
So, ang Weta pala ay hindi lang Lord of the Rings ang ginagawa. Marami din sila like yung The Hobbit, Avatar, Narnia, King Kong, at marami pang iba. Like dito, makikita natin yung mga miniature sets used sa film. Tapos, meron din silang actual swords, armor, costumes, prosthetics, and iba pa.
Si Radagast pala to. Red Kiss, oh. Wala si Gene Simmons dito.
Dito there's yung magnet.
Bali, ang price ng Weta Unleashed dito sa Wellington is 1,959 for adult and 1,069 for your child. So, si each 1,069 lang siya. Bali, kinuha namin siya sa Leisure Guide website. And pagdating namin doon, ayun, nag-explore na kami. Pero yan, meron siyang tour bale sa loob ng Weta. So, makikita namin doon yung how to make swords, kung paano ginawa yung mga miniatures, paano ginawa yung movie. Pero, sinabihan kami nung guide na sa first half nung tour, bawal yung bawal ang video. So, check natin after kung ano yung pwede natin makunan sa loob. So, eto, mag-picture muna tayo kay Gollum. Kaya, bago tayo mag-tour sa loob, pati dun sa orc dun sa kabila. So, ito, tinawag na tayo ng guide para mag-start na yung tour. Bali, umuulan yan, pero sa labas yung daan kasi papunta dun sa entrance nila sa tour spot nila. Tour room. Dun yung entrance. Ayan o, may ogre. Makita mo na yan kaagad sa labas pagpasok mo pa.
Oo. Bawal ang camera. Dito lang. Before we go. When the tour starts. I'm gonna stop na. Bawal no? May sa loob daw. Bawal na mag... First part. Play.
Dati talaga.
Okay.
So a lot of what Richard and Tony used to do was work with materials that they had access to, right? When they first moved to Wellington, they were broke students, they didn't have a lot of money, they didn't have a lot of access to stuff. So a lot of actually Richard's early stuff is, if you have a look at the weird coloured clay, it's actually chilled margarine that he has carved out of. It's quite nice, it comes out of the hole pretty easy too. And we've tried to find other ways of making things like that, and tin foil actually comes
And look here.
so you'll see there's a lot of small scale sculptures around here. You can also actually do some big stuff too. This up here, if I wanted to complete the entire skull in tinfoil, probably cost me about $30 too. Not bad, don't get me wrong. And it's really quick to put together. Just need to know that this thing is
Glue gun.
hot glue and tinfoil near instant bond. I'll show you.
Teach look. Teach
If you
look.
are going to use this stuff though, shiny side, dull side, just work dull side basically, right? Reflective surface and close to lights all day.
Dragon
I
egg.
mean, when you're working with this stuff, you can shape it, but try to start out quite fluffy. If I just crush this into a rock, I'm probably going to have a rock and not a lot else. But with something with a bit of air left inside, I've still actually got room to shape the thing as I go, rather than this just being a hard, dense piece of tinfoil. When you become confident with little shapes, then you can really start to refine things quite quickly. And even if you're doing some of those large-scale pieces, it's probably
Aladdin.
good to start out with a
No,
long kit.
one.
Use them like that.
Parang
Quick,
yung ano.
fast, you don't like the thing, grab the stuff. Now, building mass, this is where the stuff usually shines. So, if I'm doing something like that dragon skull, I'll actually roll out a bunch of little tinfoil balls. Just try to keep them fluffy. There's really no need to this. And just have a bit of the old rock on. Take your two bits, put them together about that fast as possible. I don't have to wait for the thing to dry. So it speeds up the process. I can keep shaping the components that I add to it as well. It's not just going to be a floppy ball forever. And if you really want to refine the outside, we'll see what holds to the edge of the spoon is actually good. When you brush this over the top, you homogenize all those different little wrinkles into a flat surface, and then you can go back into that and start sculpting the detail, right? Using that, you can create that. Now, we tend to go a bit of a step further, and we would do something like Ember. So Ember here is actually a tinfoil sculpture, right? That you get to paint. The only difference with this, the tinfoil is more of a core, and we use an outdoor clay on the outside, so this little dragon probably lasts you about 100 years outdoors. If you want to make anything with this stuff, Pal Tire is the clay that they're using. It's a cement-based clay. You mix up a little batch, you take your tinfoil core, slap a bit of that clay on the outside. You only really need about a pencil's thickness if it's just sitting out in the garden. Once you've covered it, you can do any more sculptural work you want.
So, ito, binigyan kami ng time para gawin yung sa foil. Kung ano yung naisip namin gawin, try namin. Good luck kung may magawa. Ano yung nagawa mo rin? Ha? Serpent? Sword handle? Tingnan. Door handle. Loch Ness Monster. Yeah. Ano yan? Ha? Hook? Ay, airplane ginawa ni Bleach. Airplane. Gawa ka pa. Ito, gawa kayo nito. Ang dami, oh. May dragonfly. May snake. Snake pwede. Ito, fish of flower. What are you making? Paper foil. Wow, look at that. Loch Ness Monster. That's nice. It's a cute Loch Ness Monster. It's not scary. It's so cute. Scary. Ang galing, no? Ang dami din nang gagawa sa mga foils. Yun lang pala ang kailangan. And creativity. Marami ka nang magagawang creatures or kung ano yung nasa imagination mo kayang gawin dito. Ito naman yung room na kung saan ginagaya nila yung mga facial features ng mga tao. As in talagang gayang-gaya pati yung mga beard, hairs, even yung mga wounds, ganyan, kitang-kita. And gayang-gaya talaga, parang totoong-totoo. Ito ang galing niya kasi ginagaya niya yung mga facial expressions mo. Robot kasi siya. So, ayan, kung anong gawin mo, gagayahin niya.
Hello.
Hindi yan. Doon ka harap sa camera. Ayan. Abis. Ayan, abis.
Oh, you got it. Well done. That was a tricky one.
Abis. Asan? Ito yun. Ikaw mag-remote. Mga.
Pwede mo hawakan niya.
No. Ano ba eh?
Pero hawakan niya.
Okay lang yung remote. Cool. Ayun yung mata. Turo mo. Ayun yung mata. Ayun pala si Meta. Nakita na. Tinuro na ni Paige. Ibang tao yan. Counted pa rin si Paige. Or ayun sila yung gumagawa.
Well done. High five.
Pretty job.
Now the next room has two. The next room has two wetter.
Sad dude. Kaya pisang sila kayo.
Oh, it took strap. That was weird. I was like, whoa, you have to see the ground.
I'm gonna try that.
You can take a photo if you like. Power Ranger? Sorry. I got from District 9. You can play with blanket.
District 9 red.
Bit big and heavy.
Oh.
There you go.
Hold the camera.
And I've got a Eurokai helmet.
Oh, Eurokai. Daddy.
Absolutely.
Daddy, wait. 1, 2. Wag mo. Good. Red, ito. Kunin mo yung red, Red. Ito. Gusto mo yan? Wow. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung Eurokai. Maganda, Daddy. Yun. Ayun, maganda. Eurokai pa pinaano pa. Hindi.
Heavy.
That one's heavy.
Ang dali mo.
Girl. Look like a monster. Oh.
Thank you. This one.
Pero nasabi ka na.
In official and normal.
Mackenzie.
Oh yeah, I've got tiny bit too.
Hi, Mackenzie. Can you take picture of you? Can you take picture?
Are you for me?
Also, love the shirt. The books are so fun. I always like it just went rent free in my head when they're trying to find the ship with its little float.
Sa YouTube.
Down it, just getting the vision. Oh, just goes right through. Just behind us here. Like I've got very long things. Oh, he's got it.
Ito na naman si Abyss Tiger.
Ay, the Abyss Tiger.
Ito na.
Maliit. Salamin. Kunin mo salamin ni Daddy. Picture natin si Daddy.
Wala na, patay.
Walang papatungan. Gawa ka mo na lang.
Okay, ganyan na lang.
Gawa ka mo na lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Eh, si ano? 1, 2, 3. Wait, Daddy. Puro kayo ba lang?
Parang normal na sa ito.
Whoa, Power Ranger! So, ayan, tapos na yung tour. Sorry, yun lang kaya namin ipakita kasi bawal na po yung iba. And, ang hangin, grabe, dito sa Wellington, talagang parang Chicago, windy city. Makikita mo yung
What have we got planned for the rest of the day? The Papa? Yes! We're gonna be like, those snakeheads. Each one.
Ha?
Malaki. Ito matandali dito ba tayo dito? Ito.
Ito nga, mas madali ito. Oh. Ayan.
lakas ng hangin talaga. Mararamdaman mo siya.
Ilagay mo yung ulo ni Peach dun sa daliri nung ano. Ayan, sakto sa kanya yung ulo niya dyan.
Harap pa dito.
Harap pa dito kay Mami. Kunyari na ano ka.
Oh, ito ba?
Ay, hindi. Ayan.
Yan.
Ayan, ganda.
So, nakaalis na kami sa Weta and now, nandito kami sa kanilang parang Hollywood sign. Pero ang nakalagay naman sa kanila is Wellington. Before daw kasi nakalagay dyan Wellywood. Pero siguro para mas maganda yung mismong name na ng town ang ilagay nila. Or city pala, sorry. So now, off to the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.